Makki Roti Recipe. Let's make add half cup of makki atta. Add 2 tsp spinach. Add 2 tsp radish. Half tsp chili flake. 1 tsp salt. Half tsp cumin seeds. Mix it well. Half cup water. Half tsp desi ghee. Add makki mixture. Mix it well. Let it warm, not cool. Kneading with hand palm. Watch full video, don't skip. Please must like, don't forget to like. Sprinkle makki atta. Make it round this way. This is the best way to make roti. Add desi ghee. It's done. Must try this recipe. Too yummy and delicious. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and comments.